Welcome back to Math 109 Plane Trigonometry. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving right triangles when we're given two side lengths, plus the fact that we have the right angle. So, again, we're going to define our triangle the same way we did before. Angles A, B, and C, and the opposite sides get the lowercase letters. And the information we're given this time is that A is equal to 29.43 and not B. Lowercase c is equal to 53.58. Now, the easiest thing to see immediately with solving this triangle is we know the Pythagorean theorem tells us that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And I know what a and c are. So I have 29.43 squared plus b squared is equal to 53.58 squared. I can subtract the 29.43 squared and obtain b squared is equal to 53.58 squared minus 29.43 squared. And then I can take the square root of both sides. And then at this point, I would just type all of this into my calculator. I obtain that B is equal to 44.77. So now, the other thing we can do from the information we know is we know something about the angle A from the fact the sine of A is equal to A over C. So I can plug in the values for A and C. So the sine of A is equal to 29.43 over 53.58. When we do that division, I get the sine of A is equal to, and I am only going to write this to 4 decimal places, 0.5493. And then we can say A is equal to the inverse sine of 0.5493. So that sine inverse is not indicating 1 over the sine, it's indicating we want to undo the sine function. And if I punch that into my calculator, I get that A is equal to 33.32 degrees. And then I could do the subtraction from 90 to obtain angle B. But I also can use the fact that we know that the sine of B the cosine of B is equal to A over C. I've already calculated what that is. And the cosine of B is equal to 0.5493. So that's the same division we did earlier. That gives us that b is equal to the inverse cosine of 0.5493, which comes out to 56.68 degrees. So the solution to the triangle we're given is lowercase b is equal to 44.77. In this case, arbitrary units. Capital A is equal to 33.32 degrees. And the angle at B is 56.68 degrees. So that's how we solve a right triangle when we're given two sides. This will be it for Chapter 2 of our text, so make sure that you study the material for your exam on Monday. And I will see you in class on Wednesday.